Friends, in this video we will be discussing about the divisibility rule of 7. Divisibility rule of 7 is quite peculiar. Suppose the rule goes something like this. Suppose I take a 3-digit number A, B, C. So 3 digits are there in that number, that is A, B, C. Now the trick goes something like this. So take always the units digit, multiply with 2. Multiply with 2. And after multiplying with 2, you will get a product called 2C. And whatever the 2C product is there, subtract it from the remaining numbers. Subtract it from the remaining numbers, taking this number as a unit. So if this result is 0, whatever the result you get, twice the units digit number, twice the units digit number, and subtract it from the remaining number. If the result is 0 or 7 or any multiple of 7. If the result is 0, 7 or any multiple of 7, then this entire number is divisible by 7. Entire number is divisible by 7. Suppose I will take an example. Known example only I will take. That is 343. Friends, you know very well 7 cube is equal to 343. That means it is divisible by 7. Now I am taking the unit digit number 3 into 2. That means you will get 6. Subtract it from the remaining number. 34 minus 6 will give 28. Friends, 28 is a multiple of 7. 28 is a multiple of 7. So what I said, that result should be 0, 7 or any multiple of 7. That means this entire 343 is divisible by 7. Okay. So now we will take some more examples to verify this divisibility rule of 7, right? I am taking a number called 1723. So following the divisibility rule, into 2, that is equal to 6. Now I am subtracting 6 from 172. If I subtract 6 from 172, I am getting, what is 172 minus 6? 172 minus 6 is equal to 166. Okay. So here itself I can say that 166 is not divisible by 7. But still if you want to confirm, you can repeat this process actually. 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. So 6 minus 12 is equal to 4. So 4 is not divisible by 7. So if you are not satisfied with the 3-digit numbers or 2-digit numbers, you can continue this process to the results until you get a single-digit number. If that single-digit number is 0 or 7, then only the entire number is divisible. Now you are getting 4 here. So that means 1723 is not divisible by 7. Is not divisible by 7 because we are getting 4 here. Now suppose we will take 17829. 17829 I am taking. So 9 into 2, what is 9 into 2? That is equal to 18. So 1782 minus 18 I am doing. What is 1782 minus 18? 177262. 62, that means 1764. 1764. So suppose if you are not confident enough to check this number, whether this number is divisible by 7 or not, you can continue this process. So 4 into 2 will give 8. So 176 minus 8. 176 minus 8 is equal to how much? That is 168. So here itself I can say 168 is divisible by 7. But still, for my confirmation, I am getting 8 into 2, 16. So 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. Yes, 0 we are getting. I told 0 is also allowed. So you should get, if that is a single digit number, that should be 0 or 7 in this continuous process or any multiple of 7. Generally, people will do until they get a single digit number. They will continue this process until they get a single digit number or double digit number, because single digit numbers means 0 or 7. Double digit number means they will start from 14. Okay, because it is easy to check single digit numbers or double digit numbers whether they are divisible by 7. That means 17829 is divisible by 7. Is divisible by 7. Some people at 168 only they will confirm, okay, 168 is divisible by 7. That means this entire number 17829 is divisible by 7. Now friends, we will take another example. We will take another question. There is a previous question given in the exam. So we will check that question based on the divisibility rule of 7. Friends, have a look at this previous question which is given for an exam. What least number must be added to 329? What least number? That means the options are 1029. In this options only you have to check. So what is the least number? That means that least number is in one of these options. What least number should be added to? Added to 329 so that the sum is exactly divisible by 7. So that the sum is exactly divisible by 7. My dear friends, here I am taking first of all 329. So I am checking the divisibility. Into 2 I am doing, that means I am getting 18 here. 9 2s are 18. So if I subtract 18 from 32, if I subtract 18 from 32, I will get 14. Friends, 14 is already divisible by 7, no? So we are getting 14. 14 is a multiple of 7. So that means 329 is already divisible by 7. We will check with manual methods also, actual conventional method. 7 4s are 28. 7 4s are 28. That means it is 49. 4 9. 7 7s are 49. So 329 is exactly divisible by 47 times it goes. So that means 329 is already divisible by 7. So nothing should be added or subtracted because it is exactly divisible by 7. So the answer will be 0. So the answer will be 0. Option B is the correct answer for this question. 0 should be added to, that means nothing should be added. 0 should be added to 329 so that the sum is exactly divisible by 7. Now friends, we will discuss the divisibility rule of 11. Divisibility rule of 11 is very, very important, and we got two techniques. The first one is the conventional or the old method that you know already, alternate positions, numbers, you take the sum and then you take the difference of the sums. Now that also I will explain, and another method which is very useful in the competitive exams, that also we will deal. Now friends, method 1 I am dealing. What method 1 is telling? Method 1 is telling, suppose I am taking a number called 3872. 3872. So we have to check whether this 3872 is divisible by 11 or not. Okay. So if you take manually, it will take so much time. If you do it manually by the methods, long division method, you will take so much time. The method 1, the very good old method, is telling that take the numbers in the odd positions and also take the numbers in the even positions. So in the odd positions you got 3 and 7, in the even positions you got 8 and 2. So then take their sums. What is the sum of 3 and 7? 10. What is the sum of 3 and 10? 3 and 7, it is 10. Then what is the sum of 8 and 2? That is also 10. So this is 10, this is also 10. If now take these sums, odd numbered positions, the numbers in the odd numbered positions, the numbers in the even numbered positions, take their sums, take the sum of their numbers and write the sums here and take their difference. If the difference is 0, or 11 or multiples of 11, then that entire number is divisible by 11. So in this case we got 0. Don't worry, we will go for the other examples also. In this case we got 0. So this is the actual method. So alternate numbers, this is called alternate digits or alternate numbers method. So first we have to take the numbers in the alternate positions, that means even numbered positions and odd numbered positions. Take that numbers, take their sum and write that sum side by side and take the difference. If the difference is 0, if the difference is 0 or 11 or multiples of 11, then this entire number is divisible by 11. So this is one method. Method 2 is a peculiar method. Method 2 is a peculiar method. I will explain you this method. This method is very famous with the name called pairing technique. Pairing trick. Okay. So it is not like alternate, adjacently only. First we will divide the numbers into pairs, adjacent pairs like this. 72 is a pair, 38 is a pair, 72 is a pair. Okay. Now what we do, 72 is a number, 38 is a number. That means I have taken the adjacent pair starting from the units place. So starting from the units place, I got pair 72. That means 72 you should consider as a number and 38 also you should take it as a number. Now pairwise starting from the units place or 10 from this side or this side, divide with 11 and write the positive reminders here. Suppose 38 is there. What is the positive remainder of 38 when we divide it by 11? So that means it is 5 plus 5. Reminders, positive reminders I am writing here. 38 divided by 11, so remainder is plus 5. Now 72 divided by 11, so what is the positive remainder? Plus 6. So add these numbers, you will get plus 11. That means this number is divisible by 11. Now you can take the negative reminders also. Negative reminders. Negative. What is the meaning of negative reminders? Negative reminders means deficiency. Go to the next multiple of the 11. Whatever the deficiency you get to reach that number, that is called as negative reminder. So my dear friends, 38. If you divide, what is the next multiple of 11 after 38? Definitely it is 44. Definitely it is 44. What is the deficiency for reaching 44? The negative remainder kya hota hai? Minus 6. So what is the next multiple of 11 to 72, 77? What is the negative remainder here? Minus 5. So what is the sum of minus 6 and minus 5? Minus 11. Yes, then also it is divisible by 11. So whatever the number here, it should be 11 or multiples of 11. Okay, multiples of 11 if you are taking positive, both positive reminders or both negative reminders. You can make a mix of two also. Some people will take mix of two. Suppose here they will write, this side they will write positive reminder. Positive reminder is plus 5. Negative reminder is minus 5. So if you take both, you should get 0. Suppose if you take this side as a negative reminder, what is 38? Negative reminder minus 6. What is positive reminder? This side negative and that side positive. Positive reminder plus 6. So they get cancelled and they will get 0. So this is the way. But this is this is recommended. This positive reminder case is recommended. This one, positive reminders method, generally people use most. So take the adjacent pairs. Starting from the units place, make the pairs of numbers, adjacent pairs of numbers, and positive remainder plus 5 plus 6. So here positive remainder is plus 5, positive remainder is plus 6. When you divide these pairs, when you divide these 2-digit numbers, pair means 2-digit number, with 11 you get reminders. That reminder should be 11 or multiples of 11. If you take both as positive reminders, if you take both as negative reminders means deficiencies. If you take both, one side positive and one side negative, you should get 0. But I personally prefer this method, both positive reminders, because that is easy, very easy to handle. Okay, this is another method, very famous method, and people generally competitive exams, those people who are going for competitive exams, they generally use this method also because it will save your time. Okay, now we will go for another example and we will try to solve the divisibility rule of 11 by using the alternate numbers technique and also this pairing trick. Friends, here I have taken another number called 352. Now you can ask me, sir, there are only 3 digits, because every time you are taking 2 numbers for using method 1 or method 2, every time you should have 2 numbers, alternate digit technique, or so if 2 numbers are not there, so number of digits must be always in even number. That means 3 digits should be there, 3 digits are there here, that means 4 should be there. Then only we can form pairs in alternate digit technique or pairing technique, always pairing logic everywhere. So you should put 0 here. Otherwise, pair will not form any method. First method 1 I am trying. First method 1. So here, since here pairing for pairing technique, 0 plus 5, the sum is 5. So 3 plus 2, the sum is 5. Take these two numbers, 5 and 5. What is the difference between 5 and 5? That is 0. That means 352 is divisible by 11 because you got 0. Suppose if you take method 2, so 352, as we know, we put 0 here. So here 52 is a number, 3 is a number. I am taking the positive reminders. What is the positive reminders? 3 only, because 11 goes 0 times, 11 zeros are 0, 3 is the remainder. For 52, what is the remainder? Positive remainder is plus 8. Plus 3 plus 8. So what is the sum? Plus 11. Plus 11. That means 352. 11 plus 11 is coming. That means 352 is exactly divisible by 11. So in this way, if any odd numbered digits are there, so 3 digits or 5 digits are there, you can put a 0 and make it comfortable for the alternate digit technique or pairing. Almost both are same. Both are logically both are same. But whatever is easy in the examination, you feel whatever the method that will save your time. If you feel like that this method will save your time, so you can use this method. This method will, if you feel this method will save your time, so you can use this method. So logically both are same and efficient methods. Okay. Now we will take another example to check these divisibility rules. Now friends, I have taken 7253. Let us check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay, method 1 I am trying. So 7253. What is 7 plus 5? 7 plus 5 is 12. What is 2 plus 3? It is 5. So what is the difference between 2 and 5? 2 and 5 is 7. So 7 is 0 is not coming and multiples of 11 are also not coming. So this 7253 is not divisible by 11. So you can prove it with method 2 also, which is nothing but pairing technique. 7253. So I am forming some pairs. What is 72? 72 divided by 11. What is the positive remainder? That is 6. What is the remainder when you divide 53 with 11? That is 44. That is plus 9. So plus 6 plus 9. So remainder 43. For 53 divided by 11, what is the remainder? Yes, 9. So plus 6 plus 9, it is giving plus 15. Plus 15 is not divisible, multiple of 11. So finally, from both the methods, I proved that 7253 is not divisible by 11. Okay, now we will see another example. Now friends, I have taken a number called 84359, that means 84,359. You know, there are 5 digits in total, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First of all, for applying the techniques of divisibility rule of 11, we know that the total number of digits should be in an even number. There should be 4 digits, 2 digits, 6 digits. If there is a deficiency of a digit, we will put 0. So I am putting, first of all, I am putting a 0 here. So method 1 we are testing first. So 0, 8, 4, 3, 5, 9. So first I will take the odd numbered positions numbers 0, 4, 5. So what is 0 plus 4 plus 5? That is 9. 0 plus 4 plus 5, that is 9. 8 plus 3 plus 9. 11 plus 9, that is 20. So what is the difference between 9 and 20? What is the difference between 9 and 20? Positive difference, that is 11. So yes, 11 is coming. I said already 0 should come. If you take this difference, 0 should come, or 11 should come, or multiples of 11 should come. Then only this entire number is divisible by 11. Okay. Now if I go for method 2, 0, 8, 4, 3, 5, 9. So I am taking the pairs. Positive remainders I am taking. This is plus 8. So 43, what is the positive remainder here? Plus 10. What is the positive remainders here? Plus 4. So plus 8 plus 10 plus 4, that is if you take the sum of all the numbers, you will get plus 22. Yes, 22 is a multiple of 11. 22 is a multiple of 11. So clearly we can say 8, 4, 3, 5, 9 is exactly divisible by 11. So in this way, we can find out alternate digit technique is there or adjacent pair technique is there. Everything is a pairing technique, but this is alternate pairing technique. This is called adjacent pairing technique. So okay, generally people nowadays, many students are feeling this method as very easy. Immediately they are writing reminders and they are telling. This method is also very popular nowadays. This is the old method that we already know. There is nothing called faster or slower method here, depending on your ability, calculation ability. So whatever the logic strikes your mind strongly, you can use that method in the examination. Okay. Friends, let us have a look at this question. If 5, 6, m4, m is a variable here. So if 5, 6, m4 is exactly divisible by 11, then what is the value of that variable m? Options are 0, 1, 2, 5. Friends, here I will try to solve in both the methods. First one is 5, 6, m4. First one, alternate pairing technique I will see. See, this sum will be 5 plus m. This sum will be 5 plus m. And this sum will be 6 plus 4, that is equal to 10. So clearly, we should take the difference between 5 plus m and 10. 5 plus m and 10. So here, this difference should be 0 or 11 or multiples of 11. So that means 0, it can be 11, 22, etc. etc. So if you want to bring 11 as difference here, here it should be 21. 21 means here it should be a double digit number. So double digit, creating 11 as a difference is not possible. So creating 0 as difference is possible because 5 plus 5 will make 10. So if I put 5 here, so 5 plus 5 here, so difference 10, that means 10 difference 10, that is equal to 0. That is equal to 0. Okay, m value is coming as 5. So then only the difference is coming as, so the same thing we can prove it with the help of the pairing, adjacent pairing technique also. Clearly my dear friends, 56 is a pair, m4 is a pair. Okay, so now 56, what is a positive remainder? Positive remainder is 1 because 56 divided by 11, 55, remainder will be 1. Now m4, here if you want to create, see m, remember m should be a single digit number. So if I put 0 here, 0 in the place of m, it will become 04. If I put 1 here, it will become 14. It will become 2 if I put, it will become 24. 5 if I put, it will become 54. So my dear friends, clearly you know this positive difference should be 11 or multiples of 11. I think it is only possible to create 11 only, because see, if I put 0 here plus, if I divide this one with 4, so plus 4 is coming. So 0, 1 plus 0, plus 1 plus 4 is plus 5. No. So here, what is the remainder here? What remainder here is plus 3. Plus 1 plus 3, that is plus 4. No. So here if you see plus 2, plus 1 plus 2, that is equal to plus 3. No. So here if I take 5, 54, what is 54? That will come, remainder is coming as plus 10. Plus 10, plus 1 plus 10, that is equal to plus 11. Yes. So 5 will be the right choice. So 5, here also it is coming as 5 will be the right choice. So if I put 5 in the place of m, so that 5 in the place of m, that number, that whole number will become 5654, 5654, 5654, the number will become 5654, and that number is exactly divisible by 11. So option D, 5 is the correct answer. Now friends, have a look at this question. What least number must be subtracted from 3401 so that the number is exactly divisible by 11? Subtracted from 3401 so that the number is exactly divisible by 11. Friends, options are 3, 1, 2, 0. Since 0 is there in the options, that means one of the options is saying it is 0. That means nothing should be subtracted. So let us see whether this, if you subtract 0, you will get the same number again, 3401. So first of all, we will check whether that 3401 is divisible by 11 or not. Friends, clearly I can see here 3401 I am writing. So 3 plus 0 is 3, 4 plus 1 is 5. What is the difference between 3 and 5? What is the difference between 3 and 5? It is 2. 2 is not divisible by 11. 2 is not divisible, 2 is not 0, 2 is not equal to 0 or 11 or multiples of 7. So 3401 is not divisible by 11 originally. So 0 is the wrong option. So एक option निकल गया. So my dear friends, if I see 3401 minus 1, you will get 3400. So since it is a multiple of 100. So if it is a multiple of 100, so definitely if this number is divisible by 11, then only 3400. Suppose 1100 will be divisible by 11. 2200 will be divisible by 11. But this is 3400. So 34 is not a multiple of 11. So 3400 is not divisible by 3400 is also not divisible by 11. So 1 is also the wrong answer. 34 is not divisible by 11, no? So 3400 is also not divisible by 11. So our option lies in 3 and 2. So the answer can be 3 or the answer can be 2. तो मुझे ये लग रहा है कि 3401 minus 2 करने से you will get 3399. By looking at this number only anybody can tell 3399. 3399, 11 3s are 33, 11 9s are 99. Anybody can say, so this number is divisible by 11. Or else you can make any technique. So 3 plus 9 is 12, 3 plus 9 is 12. So 12 minus 12. So 12 minus 12 difference is 0. So 33. By looking at that number only, any number is repeated 2 times. Double digit number with the same digit, so that number is automatically divisible by 11. If you want to check 3 also, so if you minus 3 karne se 3398, so that is not divisible. 3 plus 9 is 12, 3 plus 8 is 11, so 12 difference 11 will be 1, so that is not divisible. So clearly the correct answer is 2. So clearly the correct answer is 2, because if you subtract 2 from 3401, you will get 3399. 3399, and that number is exactly divisible by 11.